Alright. At least we can drive there now, we don't have to fucking fly.
I'm going back to the orphanage. Celine is waiting.
I can only imagine what cruel game Mr. Nigma has in store for you and Miss Kyle. Sir,
Oh shit. Or like every time I get out of somewhere.
Drone down. Drone holding position, under fire.
Where is he? Is he up top? Fuck. Where are you? What the f- Whoa.
Rattler's hit, it's still operational.
Dunzo.
Alpha target wiped out the drone unit in Kingston.
Bruh.
Batmobile spotted, Grand Avenue.
Alright, there's only like a few of you left though. Ow.
Drone unit destroyed at the gardens.
Yeah, there we go.
How are you doing?
Can't fault the entertainment. Eddie just lectured me on the 13 innovations that let him pack this collar with his custom-designed plastic explosive.
You must be honored.
At being what? Your motivation? Come on, the next puzzle room's waiting.
Greetings to my costumed contestants. Your next challenge is simple. Guide an electric charge to its destination. I hope the varying amounts of pressure don't get to you.
Another one? What's Eddie's problem?
Fanatic narcissism, egocentrism, and megalomania, crossed with severe obsessive compulsion.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
So move's slow as shit.
The counterweights move further when I step on the pads.
You are getting older. Maybe it's time to add a few extra notches to the utility belt. Move over, would you?
Wait, what? Oh, fuck. I must have done it like... God damn. Batman here, Catwoman here, and they both have to go on the second one. The third one.
Hey, don't say.
Oh, fuck. There we go. Boom. Done.
Congratulations to the dementedly dressed duo. Your key awaits. Oh, but what's this? An electrified floor?
You do it. You still owe me for Arkham City.
Goodness, you figured it out already? Well, you better meet the second generation of my android allies. I've built a variant specifically tailored to each of your dubious abilities.
Hang in there. Leave those ones to me.
There's more where that came from, Batman.
Fuck.
I built a highly efficient production line.
No, fucker.
Leave the blue ones to me.
All the danger of battle combined with all the fun of riddle solving. You can thank me after. Thank you. You know what, Detective? I'm glad you solved this riddle. Because it takes you one step closer to the riddle that kills you. Riddle that kills you.
What, 3 more?
He really hates you, doesn't he?
He's an ego-driven narcissist who can't let anyone else win.
Gee, if only you'd met under different circumstances.
His obsession's getting worse. He's going after my allies.
Ally. After this, I think we should dial it back to known associate for a while.
This was nothing, Dark Knight, nothing. A new trial awaits you, Detective, by Divinity Church, and I'm waiting too.
Like, he's actually gonna be there?
Great news, Bats. I was just hanging out in hell, you know, because you killed me and sent me there, and you'll never guess who I saw. That's right, your dead girlfriend, Talia al Ghul. Don't worry, I asked, and she's totally cool with Cat Lady having a go on the old scratching post. She also says, ow, ow, is this a bullet in my sternum or a broken heart?
Anything else to say? No? Okay. That's a first. One thing.
Divinity Church. Riddler won't give up, Alfred. His pride won't let him.
You'll break his spirit, sir. I've every confidence.
So off to face the Riddler.
It all falls apart, Batman. Everything you worked for. The peace you built on a foundation of sand.
Cobras were supposed to crush him. Nearly crushed me back.
Those are actual tanks.
Takes better. Knight wasn't prepared. Yeah, he thought it'd just be a souped-up sports car. Someone's intel's a little outdated. The hardest is when you go back. Everyone expects you to switch off, but you can't. I don't want to switch it off. Nothing beats this, man. The rush. I wish I could be like them, live a normal life. But that's not who I am. I couldn't do that. 9 to 5, dying slow every day. I want to go out fighting.
Wait, so...
I won't argue with that.
I'm headed to Divinity Church. Riddler won't give up, Alfred. His pride won't let him.
You'll break his spirit, sir. I'm every confident.
Oh yeah, Super Saiyan Justice, here we go. Easy.
The Batmobile can't auto-navigate to this area.
I'm staying out of the way. Those things, I don't trust them. What's your problem? They're drones. They're unmanned. They're programmed to kill one thing and one thing only. The bat.
The bat. I don't know how to take that out. That's below. Wait, what?
We keep hitting Batman's car. Each time he fights, we learn a little bit more. That's how we beat him.
Gotta go. Below?
The Batmobile can't auto-navigate to this area.
Yeah, but why? Like, I guess I have to continue the regular story to get.
This is state-of-the-art tech, gentlemen.
Alright.
Let's hit him.
This is no territory of yours, Batman. It is mine, and you will suffer my dominance.
Where are the others? What have you done with them? You're concerned in that room, but I'm worrying about yourself. I don't know if you figured it out yet, but this don't end well for you. What do you mean? You had enough yet, punk? Speak up, we can't hear you. You won't win. Still think the bat's coming.
Oh man, so slow.
Yeah, I'd like to see him try. With all these guns, we'll fill him full of lead. Guns, don't stop him. This man. He ain't getting anywhere. Drone's been hit.
Just you know, normal day in Gotham.
Riddler bagged the cat, did he? Oh, he'll regret pissing her off.